Chance of rain 40%. Thursday night, partly cloudy. A severe thunderstorm warning for Anson County in central North Carolina, southern Montgomery County in central North Carolina, western Richmond County in central North Carolina, Stanley County in central North Carolina, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm extending from Albemarle to near Ansonville to near Sturdivant, moving east at 40 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Albemarle, Rockingham, Wadesboro, Troy, Baden Lake, Ansonville, Plyler, Holston, Locust, and Norwood. The forecast for Raleigh and surrounding areas.
That's it.
Severe thunderstorm watch 207 in effect.